Namaste. Welcome back at day 4 of 5 to 10 minute yoga 30-day challenge. Let's stand up. Your feet about hip wide open. You can put your focus in front. Bring your arms up, interlock your fingers. And as you inhale, stretch all the way up. Try to balance. And if you find yourself mumbling, then the balance will come soon. Because as soon as you start practicing, it activates the neurons, and that will help your balancing to become soon. Exhale down, keep your hands up. Inhale. As you exhale, twist to the right. Back to the center. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the left. Back to the center. Inhale. Twist to the right. Back to the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Back to the center. Bring the hand down. Bring your legs out about 1 meter 10 centimeter. Open your feet in V shape. Check that your leg when you bend is going to be nice and working onto your hips. Once you're ready, you can again put your focus in front on the ground or in front. And as you inhale, bring your arms up and bend down. Keep your knees back so that you can feel extra stretch in this area. Adjust the posture that your knee should be back and 90-degree possible. Exhale up and inhale down, arms up. Try to open your knees. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And bring your hands onto your thighs. Take your feet slightly in. Bend forward. You can bend your knees slightly. Working onto your stiff back. Inhale. As you exhale, twist to the right. Bring your left shoulder towards the ground and you can look towards the sky. Back to the center. Inhale. Exhale to the left. Back to the center. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Back to the center. Bring the feet close. Shake your leg. And open your leg about 1 meter 10 centimeter. Right foot out. Arms to the shoulder level. Inhale. As you exhale, bend towards the right. Feel on the side. And as you come up, bend your knee on the 90-degree for warrior. Check if you need to open your leg a bit more. Inhale, and as you exhale, do the reverse warrior. Balance. Back to the warrior. Come back to the center. Change your leg. Right foot in, left foot out. Arms to the shoulder level. Inhale. As you exhale, bend to the left. As you come back to the center, bend your left knee to the warrior. Inhale. As you exhale, reverse warrior. Back to the warrior. And back to the center. Bring the feet close to each other. Shake your legs. Then once again, open your leg. About 1 meter, 10 centimeter. Bring the hands onto your waist. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Back nice and straight. If you need, in this position, you can take the blocks or a stool or a piece of material so that you can have your hand on that. If you can bring the hand on the ground, go ahead. Keep your back straight, shoulder relaxed. Look between your hands. Then bring the leg close to each other, about hip width apart. Sit down, the squatting position. Chest out, palm together, working onto your hips and back. The final posture of today's practice. If you sit down onto the hip bones in any comfortable position with your back, neck, and spine straight, and preparing for the daily routine. Gently open your eyes. Namaste.